Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. That was quite fast. Okay, so today's agenda is to cut my hair. Finally they are going. So they have, you can see how long they are. They're literally coming till here, which is not good, and they are hanging from here, which is also not good, and it gives me headache now that they are hanging to my own hair, and my own hair will get damaged if I don't remove it all. Yeah, so what I decided to do today is that I will cut them half, like till where my own hair is. So suppose like so you can see my own hair till here, so I will cut my hair till like the extensions till here. So let's get started. So my mom decides to open one of it. If the hair still stays normal, then we are gonna keep it like this, and then I open all of them all together. But if the hair doesn't stay well, then obviously I'm gonna cut them half. So let's it's like I'm cutting my own hair. I feel so bad. Yeah, okay, where is it? Okay, so here. So there you go. Wow, this looks fucking cute. I don't know why, but I like it, and my hair, my head feels so light now. I just love it. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it like this for next 5 or 10 days, something like that, and then we'll come back to open up. But you can see one of them is already opened up because my mom wanted to see how it looks. Where did it go? Where are you? Okay, here. So it looks pretty awesome actually, but yeah, let's see. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. Whee! This is for you. Yeah, jadu, jadu. Hello. So today is the day. It's time to remove these babies here. Finally, like I kept them for more than a week, as I said in the last video. No, not the last video, the last seconds that you just watched. I said that I will keep them for 5 days, but I changed my mood. They look super cute, so I kept them longer, but now I should really remove them. Don't feel like saying goodbye to them though, but can't help it. Anyways, let's get started. Let's start from the back. I had this one which was very open. I guess it's this one. Yeah, let's start with that one. Let's go. By the way, I got nail extensions. How do they look? I mean, I know my hands are very black, so probably anything on my hands doesn't look good, but I want to get them, so I got them. Yeah, I hope I can open them on my own. Fuck. Yeah, that's hard. I guess it's gonna take me really long to open them up. Really long. Probably the whole night, I guess. Phew. That's gonna take fucking long to get opened up. Feel like keeping them like this now. So this is one. It's almost done, I guess. Okay, no, it's fucking long. Wait. It looks so pretty like that. My goodness. My nails are really helpful here. Wow, that looks stunning. Whoa, okay, that's some major shit coming out of my hand. Fuck. Aww. Shit. Okay. ठीक है. Okay, I guess there's some wax which just rolled in, I guess, and it's still sticky, so I'm gonna leave it like that for now. When I'll wash my hair, I guess it's gonna be fine. So let's go, we'll see now. It took me fucking 3 hours to open this much. Still left here and here. I look so fucking bad. I look like a chunky, and there's a lot of hair fall. A lot of it. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, let's continue. I'm going for a shower.